This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Matt Herrick. Honey, stop the car, this one is it. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car attached garage, spacious rooms, primary bedroom has walk-in closet. Open floor plan with breakfast bar, vaulted ceilings, informal living area and 3-season patio that has central heating and air, freshly painted, new carpet on second floor and stairs. Neighborhood pool, great schools. This home has been well maintained. Near schools, bases, entertainment, shopping, and beaches. Come for the homestay for the area. Call today before it's gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt Herrick at 757-639-8725.